Hi, welcome to Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrea and I'm just going to do a make it up as I go along card. I've been in make it up as I go along mood all day today. Where I'm coming from here is I've just made a project using this, which was in itself a project using some scrap from the project before. So I thought, it's so pretty, I don't want to waste it. And then I had a look at my other scraps on the pile, bigger scraps, and I had this piece of what I think is Peekaboo Peach. It might actually be Calypso Coral. And then I've got this piece of Tranquil Tide, which I think matches up with the green there, and this matches up with there. This could probably possibly Peekaboo Peach. It could even be Crisp Cantaloupe, this. Anyway, I don't know. So that kind of matches up. And for my last project, which was this bag that I used it on, I paired it up with Old Olive and black. So I thought I'll change that up a little bit. And I'm going to make a card, plain and simple. That's what I'm going to be doing. So this is 5.5 by 9.5. So I can make it 4 by 8 and do a nice 4 by 4 card. So that's what I'm going to do. No, sorry, I'll make it 5 by 8 and make a 5 by 4 card, and then I'll just score it at 4. I need a 3 3/4, a 3 7/8 by 4 7/8. And then I think I'm just going to run that straight down the middle. So yeah, I'm going to just wrap that around there. So that measures 2 inches by, obviously, 5.5. What I wanted to use was this hand-delivered set because I love it. Another little scrap I've got that's just perfect. So I'm going to print it in black, stamp it in black. So I'm going to go for the board. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it quite close. Yeah, quite like that. So I've got this, which is 1 3/8, and I'm going to make it the same depth as this. So that stays on there. Let me just see how it goes. I don't know if it needs anything else. Oh well, says it doesn't normally do the trick and it does it perfectly. So just run that strip of ribbon down there. A little tassel on it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I like the little tassel. We'll put the little tassel on. There we go. Lovely card there. So, hope you enjoyed that, and I'll be back soon with more scintillating, wondrous makes. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.